Google Drive is where I store everything, but Google Docs and Sheets and Slides is where I can make stuff. Unfortunately, we're used to creating a document and saving it after the fact. If you want to use a Google Doc or a Google Sheet or a Google Slide, rather than using the Docs app directly, the Sheets app directly, or the Slides app directly, it's better to go through Google Drive. The first thing that you need to ascertain or work out is, where do I want to save this in the end? So say I was in my English class, I go into my 2017 folder, I go into English, and it's term 1, so I go into here. I make sure I hit this plus button down the bottom right hand corner, and I click on Google Docs. What this will do is then take me from Google Drive to the Google Docs app. If you give it 2 moments, it will then prompt you for a new document, because that's what I've created. And make sure you're giving it a sensible title. So if I'm in Year 8 and I'm doing a creative writing piece, okay, I'm going to call it something really that makes quite a lot of sense. So I hit create. Once I do this, it will open up in Google Docs for me. I'm able to type as much as I want on here. That's fine. I know that's gibberish and doesn't really make sense. It's really important though that I make sure I hit this blue tick in the top right hand corner. What that will then do is save everything automatically. So I can go back in, I can type in as much as I want, blah, 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 blah. Just have to make sure I hit that blue tick in the right hand corner. Say I'm not doing creative writing though. Say I'm doing a group task in science and I want to share this document with other people. All I have to do is go up to the right hand corner, plus, and I can type in whoever I want to share this document with, their Parastu email address. Okay, I can give them different rights, so I can say I only want that person to view, or I can let that person edit, or I can only let them comment. They're the different options that you have. That way you don't have to email your friends or airdrop your friends back and forth if you want to collaborate on a document. If I wanted to share a whole entire folder with one of my friends, maybe we've been working together on a project and there's multiple files within that, I can share a whole folder. All I have to do is go to Google Drive, find the folder, click on the 3 buttons on the right hand side of the folder and click Add People. Again, like in that Google Doc, I can type in their email address. I can give them different editing access, so I can change them to edit or to view only. It's a really important way to make sure that you can collaborate effectively with different people. That Google Doc will then become like a live document. It is stored. It is stored in the cloud, at the CEO in the data center as well. So everything that you do on there is recoverable, and should you or your friends lose anything on your documents, it is really easy to get it back.